For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The European Union agreed to reopen its borders to 15 more countries for non-essential travel from July 1st. The EU has excluded the United States, Brazil, Pakistan and other nations from its safe list of countries. EU announced its decision as countries relax restrictions to spur economic activities. EU members finalized the list of countries after studying COVID-19 situation and deemed safe to allow citizens to travel in the bloc. The new EU border list barred US travelers from entering the bloc. US failed to meet the criteria set by the EU to be included in the list of safe countries. US remained the worst affected country in the world due to coronavirus pandemic. According to the Johns Hopkins University website, the US has reported over 1,27,400 COVID-19 deaths and over 2.63 million infections. The COVID-19 has claimed more than 510,000 lives across the world. Brazil, Russia and Pakistan have also been excluded in the EU border list. Many European countries have been affected as tourism plays a major role in their economy.
Ma un danno molto forte soprattutto nelle città d'arte, cioè quelle destinazioni, Roma, Firenze, Venezia, che negli ultimi anni avevano vissuto soprattutto di turismo americano, senza dimenticare che il blocco riguarda anche altri paesi con turisti ad alta capacità di spesa, quali la Russia, quali il Brasile.
Australia, New Zealand, Canada, South Korea and Thailand are among the 15 countries included in the EU list. China, where the coronavirus originated, has not been included in the list. EU said it will consider including China if Beijing allows EU citizens to enter its borders. The tourism industry is expecting more countries to be included in the list in the coming days.
Il turismo basato sui dati 2019 ammonta a circa il 13% del prodotto interno lordo, ma se andiamo a considerare tutte le attività che riguardano il settore del turismo, questo 13% supera tranquillamente il 25%, quindi oggi è il settore economico più importante del nostro paese.
Travelers from the UK are allowed to travel in the EU as the country is considered as an EU plus area. EU is expected to review its list after 2 weeks and may consider including other countries based on COVID-19 situation.